Hello, and welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. Today, I'm going to bring you an inspired meal that I picked up from my local grocery store, which is Publix. Now, the original recipe calls for the long carrot, but as I stated, I was inspired to do this, and I wanted to do it in the appetizer version. So I will be using the Boathouse Farm organic baby cut carrots. This is the Publix low sodium bacon. And this is Publix premium 100% maple syrup. Let's get started. Doesn't that look delicious? Our inspired bacon wrapped maple syrup carrots. Enjoy. Your next party will be a hit at the office, at your home, at an event. These bacon wrapped maple syrup carrots are appetizers. Try your life with them. Look at them. Take that off, turn that to the side, and cut it. You see, I cut that with a toothpick. What are you doing it at? Look, it's hanging off it, but I'm gonna eat that right there. So I hope you've enjoyed the time we've shared together. Until next time, be blessed.